Hello my studious future charters. Welcome to paper discussion series by More Academy. I hope that you have received notification of this video from YouTube. If not, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also let me know your opinion and suggestions in comment section. In our series on discussion on December 2021 question paper, now I'm going to discuss question number 3A. It's a question from the topic of bill of exchange. Let us start with the same. Question number 3A. On 12th May 2020, A sold goods to B for rupees 36,470 and drew upon the latter two bills, one for rupees 16,470 at 1 month and the other for rupees 27 at 3 months. B accepted both the bills. On 5th of June 2020, A sent both the bills to his banker for collection on the due dates. The first bill was duly met. But due to some temporary financial difficulties, B failed to honor the second bill on the due date and the bank had to pay rupees 20 as noting charges. However, on 16th August 2020, it was agreed between A and B that B would immediately pay rupees 8020 in cash and accept a new bill at 3 months for rupees 12,480, which included interest for the postponement of the part payment of dishonored bill. A immediately sent a new acceptance to its bank for collection on the due date. On 1st October 2020, B approached A offering rupees 12,240 for retirement of his acceptance. A accepted the request. You are required to pass journal entries of all the above transactions in the books of A. Now this question was asked for 10 marks. What are the observations? The first one problem is dealing with continuity of transactions between same parties in relation to same bills. It is not a problem of different transaction with different parties. So this is quite a simple problem. We are not required to think about every time who is a drawer, who is a drawee. The drawer is constant, drawee is constant, and certain bills are getting to and fro. Either they're getting honored or dishonored or retired, etc. The problem has not asked entries in the books of both the parties. Instead, the entries are asked only in the books of drawer, that is Mr. A. That means our work is little lesser. Both the bills in the initial part of the problem are drawn on 12th of May 2020. First bill is for 1 month. So its NDD, that is nominal due date, is 12th of June 2020 and the legal due date LDD is 15th of June 2020 after adding 3 days of grace period. The second bill is for 3 months. So the NDD nominal due date is 12th of August 2020 and the LDD could have been 15th of August 2020 because after adding 3 grace days you will be reaching 15th of August. However, 15th of August is a public holiday. Hence, the legal due date LDD of the second bill would be considered to be on 14th of August 2020. We can decide the order of entries, which will be as follows. On 12th of May 2020, the entry for sales of rupees 36,470. On 12th of May 2020, two bills are drawn. 16,470 is for 1 month and 27 is for 3 months. On 5th of June 2020, both the bills are sent to bank for collection. Then on 15th of June 2020, first bill is honored. On 14th of August 2020, second bill is dishonored. We have already discussed why not 15th of August and why 14th of August. Now be careful. Then since the bill is dishonored, the bank is immediately paying noting charges of rupees 20. The second bill was of rupees 20,000 and noting charges paid by the bank are rupees 20. That means the total amount due from Mr. B would not be only rupees 20,000, but it would be 20,000 plus 20. That comes to 20,020. Next, on same date, that is 16th of August 2020 now, we are going to charge interest of rupees 480. Now, how did I arrive at the amount of 480? The original amount was rupees 20,000. Noting charges are rupees 20. So total amount comes to 20,020. And the other party has immediately paid, Mr. B has already paid rupees 8020. So 20,020 minus 8020, that comes to 12,000 exactly. But the second bill drawn for next 3 months is 12,480. Since it is 12,480, extra 480 is charged. That means 480 is the amount of interest. So 16th August 2020, interest charge entry will be of rupees 480. Then 16th August 20, cash received rupees 8020. 16th August 20, new bill drawn will be 12,480. 16th August 20, new bill sent to bank for collection immediately. And 1st October 20, new bill retired at rupees 12,240 with a rebate or a discount of rupees 240. How did we get the figure of 240? The second bill or the third bill we can say is of 12,480. But since it is paid before the due date, paid only on 1st of October itself, we are asking him to pay only rupees 12,240. So difference between 12,480 and 12,240 will be considered as the amount of discount or rebate. Let's now go for the actual solution of the problem. Now, based on the order of entries which we have discussed already, let us now start with the entries for the purpose of recording all the journal. So journal entries are in the books of Mr. A. Don't forget to write the heading, draw the columns, date, particulars and amount, debit amount as well as credit amount. First entry is of 12th of May 2020. The entry is for sales. Sales are of rupees 36,470. So entry will be B is the receiver and goods are going out. B's account debit to sales account. Then on the same date we are drawing two bills. First bill is of rupees 16,470. Second one is of rupees 20,000. Although their duration is different, still they are drawn on the same date. So the entry will be bills receivable number 1 account debit rupees 16,470. Bills receivable number 2 account debit rupees 20,000. Bills are coming in, debit what comes in. So bills receivable account debit. And B is the giver, credit the giver to B's account 36,470. And then don't forget to write the narration. Alternative treatment is also possible. Instead of preparing separate bills receivable account for each of the bill, you can prepare one combined bills receivable account. Generally, I don't recommend this entry. I prefer to write these two different types of entry or these two different types of bill. So this entry becomes easy, especially when the problem is going to be of ledger account, etc. Then comes the next part. On 5th of June 2020, both the bills are sent to bank for collection. Now sending to bank for collection is different from discounting of a bill. When you are discounting the bill, it is sold to the bank. Bank immediately transfers money in your bank account, deducts some discount charges for the same. On the other hand, when the bill is sent to bank for collection, nothing is transferred to your bank account immediately. Bank is working as your agent. It will go on for collection of the bill only on the due date. So nothing will be transferred to your bank account immediately on 5th of June. So bank account is not going to be affected by this entry. But bills are going out. So credit what goes out? To bills receivable number 1 account to bills receivable number 2 account. That is confirmed. So which account should be debited? A temporary account will be created that is called as bills for collection account. Or you can also call it as bills sent to bank for collection account 36,470 and bills are going out. Since we have considered this first entry or first alternative of the entries when you are drawing the bill, accepting the bill, etc. For sending them to the bank for collection, again we are going to follow this entry. If on the other hand, some of you have followed this technique for the purpose of getting the bill drawn and accepted, etc. Then for the purpose of sending them to bank for collection, you can't credit bills receivable number 1 and 2 separately, but you'll have to credit bills receivable directly as a single account. I would recommend the first set of entries for both these different transactions. Now let us go for the next point. Now on 15th June, what is happening on 15th of June? First bill is getting honored. So bank must have gone to Mr. B. Bank must have demanded money from Mr. B. Mr. B must have paid. Bank has collected and has deposited the same in our bank account. So our bank account is the receiver. We can say bank account debit. And bill for collection to the extent of rupees 16,470 is getting reduced. So let us credit bill for collection temporary account by rupees 16,470. Then bank will wait up to 14th of August. Why 14th of August? Because 15th of August, which could have been the legal due date, is a public holiday. So one day earlier. Bank will wait up to 14th of August. Then we'll go to Mr. B. We'll ask for payment. Unfortunately, B has not paid. So B is going to become our debtor again. And bill for collection account will get cancelled. But at the same time, bank as our collection agent has done one more very important thing. Bank has paid the noting charges of rupees 20. Now the simple rule of accounts states that the person who makes the mistake should bear the charges of mistake. So if Mr. B has made the mistake of dishonoring the bill, then the noting charges are to be paid by Mr. B only. So B is not our debtor only by rupees 20,000, but he is our debtor by rupees 20,000 of the original bill as well as 20 rupees of noting charges. Since he is our debtor, we will be debiting his account. B's account debit rupees 20,020. Bank for collection, bill for collection account will be credited by rupees 20,000. And bank charges or noting charges will be credited by rupees 20. I would prefer to call it as bank, rupees 20. So the entry will be B's account debit, in my opinion. B's account debit to bill for collection to bank, rupees 20. Rather than calling it as noting charges or calling it as bank charges, better to call it as bank. Otherwise, you'll have to prepare a separate account for bank charges account and then again close it by passing this particular entry. So we are making it simple. B's account debit to bill for collection to bank. Then comes the next part. Immediately we are going to charge the interest of rupees 480. How did we arrive at the figure of 480? I have already discussed. 20,020 plus 480 will become 20,500, and then out of which 8020 are paid and 12,480 will be the second bill which is considered. So the interest entry is of rupees 480 for Mr. A. We are writing in the books of A. For Mr. A, this interest is income. Credit all incomes and gains. So two interest will be credited. This income is not yet received. It is demanded from B. So B is our debtor by rupees 480. Entry will be B's account debit to interest account 480. Then B is immediately paying cash. Cash is coming in, debit what comes in, cash or bank account debit, rupees 8020. And B is the giver, credit the giver. So to B's account 8020. Then B is immediately asking to draw a new bill, which will be our bill number 3 now, and he is going to accept the same. So the entry will be bills receivable number 3 account debit 12,480 to B's account 12,480, being bills receivable number 3 drawn and accepted by Mr. B, drawn by us and accepted by Mr. B. So you can pass these two entries on 16th of August. Alternatively, you can also pass a combined entry for bank or cash account debit, bills receivable number 3 account debit, and everything is given by B on the same date. So B's account will be credited by the combined amount of 8020 and 12,480. So now the combined entry can be bank or cash account debit rupees 8020. Bills receivable is coming in, bills receivable account debit rupees 12,480 to B's account 20,500. This 20,500 is made up of three different things: original bill of rupees 20,000, noting charges of rupees 20, and interest which we have charged of rupees 480. That is how the credit amount to Mr. B's account will be 20,500, which is settled by him in two different ways. He is paying some cash immediately today 8020, and for the rest of the amount he has accepted a new bill, that is bills receivable number 3, 12,480. You can pass this combined entry also, or otherwise you can pass two different entries as I have shown earlier. Then on 16th of August, bill for collection is 12,480 to bills receivable number 3 account, because immediately it is sent to bank for the purpose of collection. Alternatively, instead of giving the number 3 account, you can directly specify bill for collection account debit to bills receivable account. Then on 1st of October, Mr. B is approaching us. He is retiring the bill. Retiring the bill means honoring the bill before the due date. So our bank account is going to receive money, bank account debit the receiver, and bill for collection is going to get settled. But the money received in the bank account is 12,240 and bill for collection cancelled or settled is 12,480. That means the difference of rupees 240 is a discount, but this is not a normal discount. This is a discount on retirement of the bill. So it will be named as rebate account. Rebate is our loss. We are writing in the books of A, debit all expenses and losses. So rebate account debit will be 240. Thus the entry on 1st October would be bank account debit 12,240, rebate account debit rupees 240 to bill for collection account 12,480. So this is where you complete your 10 marks. Simple question, question number 3. Now in the next question, I'm going to consider question number 3B. So be with me in the video list. Thank you very much.